Yesterday you found your voice. Today, you will learn the secret to unlocking the voices of others. Namaste, my dear learners. Welcome to Ujjwal Bhavishya, your gateway to greatness. I am Gyani, your humble guide. A wise person once said, "The art of conversation lies in listening." And the art of listening begins with asking the right question. Let's learn to ask questions by performing a simple, elegant flip called inversion. This means inverting the subject in the magic verb. Am, is, are, a statement. She is from Pune becomes a question. Is she from Pune? A statement. You are a student becomes the question. Are you a student? This beautiful system works everywhere. In your office. Is he the new project manager? At college? Are they in the cricket team? This is more than grammar. This is the key to connection. It gives you the power to build bridges and to understand the world. Remember, to ask, simply flip. Master this simple system, and you will master asking questions in English. The foundation is now yours. For continued guidance, subscribe to Ujjwal Bhavishya, where wisdom meets.
Aarambh, Professor Foundation Builder that was beautiful, but so slow. And you missed the biggest blunder everyone makes. Coming up next,